All right, shalom, shalom. We are the real Hebrew Israelites coming day in and day out to prophesy the downfall of Babylon the Great, which is America. First off and foremost, I would like to say all praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elder apostles of Great Millstone, salutations to the elect, wherever you may be. All right? Another quick lesson. The only unity camp that exists is the elect. And I got the scriptures to prove that, man. All right, all this other madness is bullshit. It's a babal. It's confusion. All right? You guys are mixing sweet water with bitter waters. All right? And that's doctrines, nigga. All right? I'm gonna make it quick. Isaiah 52:8. Thy watchmen shall lift up thy voice, and with thy voice together shall they sing. For they shall see eye to eye when Yahweh shall bring again Zion. So whoever these watchmen is, whoever these body of prophets are, all right, they will be singing together, which means they're in unison. All right, they're hitting the same notes. All right, it's harmony, so to speak. All right, and it says they're going to see eye to eye. All right, so what's seeing eye to eye? All right, having your doctrine common, man. All things, no schism in the body. All right, unlike you other guys, man. All right. Now, as much as I don't want to talk about it, fuck it. The spirit is on me to talk about it, man. All right, so I ain't gonna quench the spirit. All right. It says when the Lord should bring again Zion. How is the Lord gathering Zion right now? Read Baruch 4, the last verse. By the word. Who's the word? Yahweh Shai. What's the word? The whole entire book. The whole scriptures, man. All right? Not only the teachings of Yahweh Shai. I hate when a nigga say that, man. The whole book is the teachings of Yahweh Shai, man. All right? He's the word. All right? This is Revelations 15:3. And they sing the song of Moses, the servant of Yahweh, and the song of the Lamb, saying, great and marvelous, great and marvelous are thy works. All right? Lord Yahweh Almighty, all right? Just and true are thy ways, thou King of saints. All right? Once again, this is the elect singing together. The only people that was able to learn the song is who? The elect. You ain't got a nigga that's singing and he hitting the C note and this nigga all the way in D minor, fucking up the whole song. No, that shit is madness, man. All right? Now, let's see, how do we glorify Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai? All right, Romans 15:6. That ye may with one mind, that's one heart, nigga, one spirit, not multiple. Not multiple Yahweh Shais, man, one, all right? It says that ye may with one mind and with one mouth glorify Yahweh, even the Father of our Lord Yahweh Shai Mashiach. Are we not glorifying Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai when we go out there and speak? All right? That's why it says with one mouth glorify the power, man. You niggas are glorifying yourselves. Oh, look. Mashallah, Yasha. Man, you niggas ain't the summit. You niggas are the bottom shelf, man, of the Israelites, man. And your actions prove it, man. You think Yahweh Shai was getting down with all them niggas that had different doctrines? No. All right? Hey, you niggas are just as bad as Babylon. A cesspool of a lot of bullshit, man. Shalom.